If you're looking for a functional, compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this 2018 Jeep Compass Latitude in billet silver. With halogen quad headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, bright daylight opening molding, rear window wiper and washer, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, only 9,000 miles on the odometer, 5-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, SiriusXM radio, electric park brake, split folding rear seats, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 8196G.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.